The 2025 Honda CRF300L has been making waves in the dual sport segment. It's designed for riders seeking a reliable, versatile, and capable machine that performs both on and off-road. Let's take a closer look at what this bike offers. The design is minimalist and aggressive, staying true to Honda's off-road heritage. Sharp bodywork and lightweight construction make it look ready for adventure, while the red and white color scheme adds a bold touch. Under the hood, the CRF300L is powered by a 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. Honda has refined it for smooth power delivery, offering 27 horsepower and 20 lp-ft of torque. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox, it provides a perfect balance of performance and efficiency, making it suitable for both trails and daily commutes. The suspension setup is a highlight. Showa 43 inverted front forks and a ProLink rear shock provide 10.2 inches of travel, ensuring excellent handling over rough terrain. Whether you're navigating rocks, roots, or steep inclines, the CRF300L absorbs it all effortlessly. This bike is not just an off-road specialist, it's practical for everyday use too. A seat height of 34.7 inches and a curb weight of 309 pounds make it approachable for a wide range of riders. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, averaging 70 miles per gallon with a 2.1-gallon tank, offering an impressive range. The digital LCD display is clean and functional, showing essential data like speed, fuel level, and gear position. Honda's attention to detail ensures ease of use for all riders. When tested off-road, the CRF300L excelled. Its lightweight chassis, responsive engine, and capable suspension worked together seamlessly, making it a joy to ride on challenging trails. There are minor drawbacks to consider. The stock tires are decent for mixed surfaces but may need an upgrade for intense off-roading. Additionally, the seat could be more comfortable for long-distance trips. Priced at approximately $5,600, the CRF300L offers tremendous value for its class. It's a great choice for riders seeking a dependable dual-sport bike that balances adventure and everyday practicality. So, what do you think of the 2025 Honda CRF300L? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews on two wheels.